Hey you guys. So it's been a minute since I posted a video. Um Mainly because my Android sucks and life has been happening. So yeah, but I recently ordered a whole bunch of shoes from Target and I have the box right here and I didn't open it yet. I figured I'd just make a video, make an unboxing video, and just to show you guys what kind of shoes I got, and yeah, maybe this will help you guys find some shoes. So my size is 8 wide width, and um, I took a trip to Nigeria last year, and I bought like a whole bunch of shoes, and for a long time I ordered shoes in the 8.5 wide width or a 9 wide width, but that was like no, sorry, for a long time I ordered shoes in a size 9 or a 8.5 because it was always hard for me to find shoes wide width or stylish shoes wide width, you know what I'm saying? So um but I've been really taking the time out to search online for wide width shoes because I got meatloaf feet, and I'm more to love. So I know a lot more weight goes down to my feet, whatever. So anyways, so like I said, I recently bought some shoes from Target, and I just wanted to record myself opening the box for the first time, and you know, and then I'll post it. So here we go. Hey y'all, you can see me? Okay. So here's the box. This is how it came, and it has the Target logo on here. Hold on. Should I turn on? Okay, never mind. Doesn't matter. All right. So I'm gonna open the box now. Oh, so these shoes are for the summer because I plan on taking another trip to Nigeria, probably towards the end of the year. Um, so I just started buying. I don't. Oh, so they only sent me 2 pairs. So I actually bought like 6 pairs of shoes total from Target, but they only sent me 2. So, oh, okay. So these are the Wild Fable Avril flat sandals. Contoured footbed for added support. So that's another thing. Like, I'm making sure that I'm buying shoes that are not just 8 wide width, but also that have like a thick bottom so that there's enough support. Let me. So apparently they put like a rubber band around the box. It was like that. Just how it comes. And I'll take that off and open. Oh, these are cute. 8 wide width. So this is what they look like. Okay, Target. So this is what they look like. I hope you can see them. My lighting isn't the best, but this is what they look like. And these are size 8 wide width. I'm not going to try them on right now. I don't feel like it, but I figured I want to make a short video. Again, I just want to make a short video. just to show you guys what I got. Okay, and so those are the sandals. Those are the first pair. And then I think I brought one that looks, yep, okay. These I really, really wanted. Like, I was really excited. I'm not saying like these are bad. Like, these are nice. Like, these will look cute. The black ones will look cute with like some denim jeans or something. These are the pink ones. I'm so excited about the pink ones. And once again, they put the rubber band around the box. Ta-da-da. Oh my god, these are so dope. Oh, I'm so excited. They're so freaking cute. Okay, Tarjay got it going on. Oh, so this is what they look like, guys. And there goes the size right there. This is what the bottom looks like. See, you can see these better than the black ones, obviously, because, again, my lighting is not the best, but, yeah. That's what they look like. That's the buckle. Just a plain, simple buckle. So, yeah, so I'm so, like, when I saw these, I was like, yes, I gotta get these. I gotta get these. But, yeah, the black ones, I thought, okay, maybe I can't have, they come in white, black, and pink. I don't want the white because, white gets dirty really fast. And I was like, I don't really need white sandals. But the black, you can't go wrong with having a black pair. You could pair it up with like denim jeans, dress it down or whatever. But the pink ones, oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh, I love these. I think I'm just gonna make a separate video of when I try these on. But yeah, like I said, I just wanted to make a short video showing you guys what I got from Tarjay. It's been a long time since I've made a video for YouTube. Again, I need to buy a new phone so I can upload better quality videos. I've just life has been happening. I recently had a death in the family. I got married a year and some change ago. Got married in Nigeria. My husband lives in Nigeria. Life has really been happening since my last upload. Like, I haven't uploaded a video in over a year. So, and I've tried to upload a video actually probably within the past 3 or 6 months. I think I did try to upload a video. And for whatever reason, YouTube couldn't upload it. I didn't understand the whole situation, but yeah. So I'm going to try and upload more videos as the year goes on. But yeah. Whoever watches this video, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe to my videos. If you do that, I appreciate your support. And once again, I'm going to try and upload more videos. I think I'm going to upload, I did take some videos when I was in Nigeria with my husband. So maybe I'll post some of those videos just so you can see clips of, what my trip was like. But yeah, so, and I really want to try and dive into being more of a content creator. But like I said, life has just really been happening. Like 2022 was just, and then the beginning of this year, it's just been it's been rough, and life is really happening. So, but now I got my pink sandals. They're so cute. I'm so excited. I can't wait to wear them. Oh yeah, and again, these are Target. I got them online. I didn't go to the store. I don't know if they have them in stores, but these are from Target, aka Target. These are size 8 wide width, and yeah, that's all I have for you guys. So Thank you for watching.